Hello, my name is Jyoti Lakshmi and today we are going to discuss about how AI has helped in garbage collection. So let us see the waste management in India. With the rise in population and urbanization, waste management has become a tedious job as the problems are rising day by day. Because of the ineffective methods employed in this system, India is generating million tons of waste as per the statistics. If this continues, India is going to be the largest waste generator by 2048. So as we can see that India's population is rising day by day, and with this the management system is very low and the waste management is not doing their job properly. So if this thing continues, if special treatment is not carried out, then in largest waste generator, India would be one of the countries of largest waste generator by 2048. So challenges faced in garbage collection are dangerous environment, processes not cost-effective, unskilled employees, recruiting workers, improper methods leading to degradation of environment, insufficient space to dump the waste, improper recycling procedures, hazardous to animals. So now let us see how AI will help in this case. So with AI, lot of advances are being made to the conventional garbage collection. So with the advancement of AI, many methods have come out to help in this process how garbage could be managed. AI is replacing humans with robot to sort the waste. So nowadays we can see that humans are being replaced by robots to dump those waste to sort out the wastage. By incorporating advanced technologies like neural networks and machine learning, the robots are trained to filter the waste based on the type and intelligent bins. So now let us see the picture of this is the traditional dustbin and this is the smart dustbin. So what happens here is, with introduction of IoT into AI, the manual work of collection to transportation has become easy. One of the emerging solutions is smart bins where IoT sensors detect the level of waste and sends the data to the central disposal system. So with the advancement of technology, with the coming up of IoT, so the sensors detect the level of waste and sends data to the central disposal system, and that's how waste gets collected in a particular system. This helps the municipalities to collect the garbage only when the bins are full, reducing the transportation cost and manual work. In meantime, the smart bins analyzes the garbage, which makes it easier for sorting. Also, it decides whether to recycle it or dump it. So this is how this helps the municipalities to collect the garbage with the bins full, and in the meantime smart bins analyzes the garbage, which makes it easier for sorting. And the smart bins also allows the citizen locate the nearest empty bins to reduce the overflowing from the bins. So what happens, the smart bins allows the citizen locate the nearest empty bins so that they reduce the overflowing from the bins. The AI robots are designed to read the garbage, detects the type and sends it to the server for further examination. The server uses image-based detection and compares the various types and picks a suitable method. If the type is reusable, it will be sent to recycling process. Depending on the type, it decides on which method to use to dump it to prevent the pollution. So, with the help of the AI robot, it detects the type of the garbage and sends it to the server for the examination. And this is with the help of image-based detection it is done, and it compares the various types and picks a suitable method. Then, if the type they found out is reusable, it is sent to the recycling process, and it decides on which method to use to dump to prevent the pollution. So this was all about how AI has helped in the managing those garbage dump in India, and in many countries also this one is prevalent. So thank you.